Yeah.
So this is where I take my car to get serviced.
Toyota, Lincoln. Oh boy, Chevrolet. They're all over here. Dodge.
Yeah.
Mazda.
Mitsubishi, Honda. This is where Camping World is. But mine's not here. Honda is not here.
Oh.
It's over there somewhere. It's not far from us. On the other
Oh,
side of the
there
freeway.
is one.
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
It's
Camp
like on the
World.
other side of the place. Yeah, I mean, it's reasonably close if there was something that you wanted to get there.
Exactly. Well, that was neat going up Green River.
What is this place?
Bolivar. Some motel.
No, I think it's the restaurant inside the hotel. It's Desert Garden Inn.
Oh.
And that, I think, is a restaurant in the hotel.
Okay, well, I think you're probably getting hungry.
Well, we'll go to Home Depot. And then we'll go eat.
Okay.
Oh, there's Kia over there. It's probably over there somewhere. It's like on the other side of the freeway. Kia is probably right by. Isn't this going right back over? Oh no, this is Salt Lake City. Turn around. This is going to Salt Lake. Oh, that's Vegas over there. That's, I see. Okay, Hyundai. Oh, I see. There's the black bear guy. I know where it is. Subaru. Kia.
Oh, on that side, yeah.
VW. Well, I know I saw a Hyundai dealer. I'd probably take it to the Kia though.
Yeah, see, this is St. George, this area here.
Right.
All of this in here, and then Old St. George, but then St. George moved further south. Then you had Washington, which moved further north. Washington City, that is. And then you have Hurricane further to the southeast.
Northeast.
Northeast. Yeah.
There's Buick.
I'm all turned around.
There's Coldwater. Oh, I know I saw. See, these are all foreign over here. Kia, Volkswagen, Hyundai right there. Hyundai.
Yeah.
Kia's right next door to Hyundai.
Okay, so they're both the same.
Yeah. So you can take your car in there and get it serviced because it's Kia and Hyundai.
Okay.
Yeah, well, that was fun and interesting.
Gives us a feel for where, I was wondering where Moto Zoo was.
Well, that Tonaquint Park was a real find. I loved that. It's on Dixie Drive. Tonaquint.
Yeah, we hadn't come down that far south. Check things out. There's the university right there. on the land.
Sally Beauty Supply, Candy Express, Apollo, River Staples, Route 21, Alcohol.
See, to me now, this is now Washington, and it is on this side.
Right. Yeah, Washington is really where all the shopping is.
Yeah.
St. George are car dealers, restaurants, big box stores. Well, this is Washington because J.C. Penney and Dillard's and that.
Yeah.
There's Boulevard Furniture. Those clouds.
Yeah.
If you get on the freeway, it's easy to find everything.
Mm-hmm.
You know, if I come by myself, I'll have to get on the freeway so I know where I'm at. Because I'm not so good at finding the bad boys yet.
Yeah. I remember you and Stormy got in here, and then I had to come around.
I know. And Stormy said, "Oh, I bet Frank thinks I'm a horrible driver."
God, she gave me no.
I gotta do my nails in the airport. It's been a week, but I didn't put on the long-lasting nail polish. I'm getting a little bit of yellow around this thing now.
Oh, yeah.
It's getting redder. Not black, it was black. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that again. I really should take the aspirin though, because I was on birth control pills for so many years. That one of the side effects of birth control pills is blood clots.
Definitely, you should.
Oh, I do. I do. That's why I'm doing it. Because, Dr. Chin's, I asked him and he said, well, you could. But he doesn't know my history, and I think I told him I was on birth control pills for so many years. And then after that, I was on hormones for so many years. And they both caused strokes and heart attacks. Here's USA Gas 307.
Well, it's busy on Saturday, boy. Everyone's getting their stuff done.
Yeah, because nobody comes on Sunday. So you want lumber, and I want lighting and light. Oh, there's nobody parked here. Nothing parked.
Oh,
Yeah, next to this thing. They're not going to move that. part's over here so far that nobody will be able to